Gift shop. What's your name?
Kristen.
Kristen, where are you from?
Seattle.
The planet. From the planet.
Earth.
Oh, alright. Right, he said it. Argus. I was trying to get her to say Argus for us. Sorry, I'll keep it moving. Because you're looking at me like, who cares where she's from? What does she have?
Oh.
What are you going to do for us?
I'm going to be a female Draenei.
Alright, let's hear it.
Do gnomes have a vibrating setting? Just wondering.
Hey, bro.
Hey, how you doing?
Thanks for helping me out.
No problem.
Alright, what's your name?
Alex.
Alex, where are you from?
I'm from Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Sir.
God bless you. Now, what are you going to do for us, Alex?
I'm going to be doing a little Onyxia Serious Business.
Whoa, that is a serious business. Alright, settle. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, listen up. Groups 1, 3, 5.